Okay, on number 2, it says to find the equation of the median of AM. So if you look at this, it's saying A is already here. So the median goes from the vertex to the opposite side at the midpoint. Can't y'all pinpoint out this is the midpoint?
Yes.
Because I gave you a graph, which is fine. If you want to find a midpoint formula, that's up to you. So looking at this, I'm going back to algebra 1. So y is equal to mx plus b. So back in algebra 1, b was basically the y-intercept. What number are we crossing at A? -2. And let's count the slope. We are going down 6 over 1. That's going to be our -6. And that's our final answer.
I got that right.
You want to say something cool? We're recording.
Sweet.
That's it. Gabby has it. Gabby has it. Will you help her? All right. Number 8. Everyone say hi to Coach Whiteside. Go. Okay. That's it? Number 8. I'm on number 8, Mark. Mark, let's read. Blank. Read.
Refer to the figure below. Which statement is true?
Since we have all the angles are different, is it even possible for these to be an equilateral triangle? So we know that's gone.
Hey, Ms. Rocco, will you tell me somebody in your class that has a last name with an A?
Last name with the A.
A or B?
Eeny, meeny, miny. Oh, Anna. Anna Brandt.
Big
Big ham.
Big Cox.
How you spell it?
BRANDT.
Brand.
Is my second one true? The longest side of the triangle PQR is QR?
Yes, it is. It is true. Yes.
QR? And how do we know this is true?
Because it's the smallest angle is the biggest side.
Ooh, smallest angle is the biggest side.
Cross
Across from it. So we know these are 90 degrees, right? So look at this triangle right here. I hear people talking over me. Good luck to you.
That's a triangle.
Not a triangle, a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, we know all sides or all the angles together is 360. So I'm going to take 360 minus this 90,
How long ago did you see it?
and then minus this 90, second period.
Oh, I don't know. That's not very good.
And then minus 118. So that's going to be 62 degrees. So I want you with the partner to figure out how many degrees is this and is this. Go.
You better not. I'm not even doing that.
So how are you even accessing it?
Okay, so you go to, you're on here, okay? So you'll click on a student.
So how'd you get to that one? This page in general? Did you go to just performance matter?
So performance matter.
And then you go to reports?
Just click on a student. It's in your, it's taking the CBA already.
This right here.
That's good.
No, Harry.
Oh, yeah.
You mean?
You said my name earlier.
Harry, yeah.
Yeah. Who doesn't know what that is?
I'll go to test results. That was easy. I just couldn't figure it out.
And then you can go to test results and then the CBA will pop up. And then test results. There it is right there.
Semester?
So
Okay.
just click on that.
What is the...
So click on a student, go to the test result. Josh, how many degrees is angle Q?
Angle Q is 60 degrees.
60 degrees?
Okay, so your average is a 68. And then you can click
Perry, what's the angle for R?
CSV.
58. So we know 62 is the largest, meaning QR must be the longest side. Okay, on number 9, I'm going to actually order each triangle at a time. So I'm going to cover the 2 triangles, so this is distracting. So when I do, don't I know this angle is 51? That y'all could figure out, right? This angle is 54. and this is 55. The common mistake is some of you guys are looking at the angle saying, let's just order them exactly as it is. If I gave you an angle like 30 degrees right here, let's say I put it over here. If this is 30 degrees, if I cut it here, it's going to be shorter than if I cut it here, right? So that number is not going to really help us determine as a whole. So instead, Vivian, I'm going to go ahead and order them. So the order from the shortest to the longest, right now I have AC. After AC, 58 opposite of that is CL. And 71 opposite is AL. Are we good on that one? Okay. Now I'm going to cover the left and the right and look at the triangle in the middle. 54 is the smallest, so I'm looking at AL. And then 59, AR. And then 67, LR. So are we good with the second triangle? So I'm going to cover it up. So 55 has LR. And then 61 has, what comes first? OR? O. Trying to make it alphabetical. And 64 is LO. So let's see what happened. Something repeated. So if I look right here, do we see that that's repeated right here? So that means, instead of AL writing it twice, I can go ahead and write out the last piece on the right. AR and LR. So that's gone. What's repeated that I already have at the end? LR. So I can go ahead and continue my pattern and continue writing out the remaining after LR. So when I do, the order becomes OR and LO. So we know the smallest one is AC, the largest LO. So if at some point, if it doesn't repeat itself, then that means you got the angles, the unknown angle wrong. Were there any other questions? So I can record it all together. Are we good? All right.